The large white buildings to the right of our train is the Serengeti Overlook. You can find the Oasis Pizza Bar, one of your all-day dining locations. They'll serve pizza, salads, and chicken fingers. You can also find the Giraffe Bar, that is a full-service bar for those of you
Samantha.
older. You can dine indoors
Anna.
to enjoy the air conditioning,
Mama.
or sit out on the
Esmeralda.
veranda to enjoy the view of the animals on the Serengeti Belt, or of course just wave at all the passengers.
Mama.
The top floor of the Serengeti Overlook is our newest pass holder lounge. All our value pass holders can sign up for a concierge service to the tours, dining, and more, or just relax in the charge. We're passing under the Koehler curse. This family-style coaster takes you up an 80-foot vertical lift where you come face-to-face with the Koehler icon. You'll travel forward, backward, and even for a free spin. You only have to be 42 inches to experience the Koehler curse here in Egypt. The larger blue and yellow coaster up ahead is the Montu. Montu is our inverted steel coaster. That means that the tracks are above your head while your feet dangle down below. Montu takes you 153 feet into the air and will drop you at speeds of 65 miles per hour through 7 different inversions. This is actually one of the top-rated coasters here at the park and in the United States. So if you love roller coasters, be sure to head to Egypt to ride on the Montu. Now we are entering the Serengeti Belt where our animals roam free and they do have a tendency to cross over the tracks. Please remain seated at all times as this train may have to make a sudden stop and we don't want anyone falling. As we do head into the belt, keep an eye out to the left-hand side of the train. That's usually where you spot the first animals. In that first opening, you can see those large tan antelopes. Those are eland antelopes. That is the largest and slowest of the antelope species.
The giraffe?
They're amazing jumpers, though. They can jump 10 feet in the air.
Look at all the giraffes over there.
Atop the first hill on our left, we have the Grevy zebra. They're easily recognized by those white underbellies and are the largest of the zebra species. They're also, unfortunately, the most endangered species of zebra.
Samantha, share. Mama, you want some?
Between the hills and atop the second hill, we have the reticulated giraffe. Reticulated meaning net-like and referring to the pattern of their spots. They do reach heights between 16 and 18 feet and can weigh up to 1 ton. They also have really long muscular tongues they use to pluck foliage from the trees, the length of which can even reach up to 20 inches.
Look at his big long tongue. See that?
On the second hill on our left are the smaller two-tone tan animals. Those are impala. That's actually the third fastest land mammal, reaching top speeds of about 55 miles per hour. They can actually take bounds of up to 40 feet long and 10 feet high, and they'll jump over each other in zigzag patterns to escape predators. As we move past the hill, look out to your left beyond those wooded fences. You might spot some more animals.
Yeah.
We're slowing down because our stable antelope are on the track. It looks like they're walking off to the left. These dark brown antelope with the curvy horn. They'll actually travel in herds comprised completely of females with only one adult male. He's not the leader though, it's actually the dominant female. They'll kick all the juvenile males out of the herd when they reach about 3 years of age, and they go off to form bachelor herds. These are actually all female. You can tell just by their coloring. The males are more black in color. If you do have really good eyesight, you can look at the hill just behind the roadway. You might spot a shaggy brown antelope hiding out just behind the forked tree. That's one of the Defasa water bucks. Again, she's blending pretty well up there, so you have to look really close. Just behind the trees on the top of that hill. That's our last stable antelope down by the water. If you look to your left out past the roadway, you'll see the Grant zebra. Those are the most commonly photographed of all the zebra species. They'll actually slow the pace of their herds to accommodate their slowest members. They blend into the herd so they can confuse predators. You might also spot the white rhinos out there. Those large rhinos. Now these tracks do curve around, so we're actually going to be closer to them as we move along. Those are the second largest land mammals. They weigh anywhere from 4,000 to 6,000 pounds.